Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming essentials. You need an active account and verified contact. Once done, open the app and allow required permissions so features function properly. Next, choose your preferred payment method, card, wallet, or cash, and enter any promo codes before ordering to lock savings. Make sure location services are accurate. Inaccurate GPS causes mismatches. Finally, add a pickup address and a default delivery address, so your next steps require minimal input and proceed smoothly. Once your account and payment are set, select the service you need, ride, food, parcel, or grocery, and tap to begin. Then customize, choose items, add modifiers, set quantities, and type clear special instructions so vendors follow them. Review the price breakdown carefully. Watch for surge pricing, service fees, and taxes so there are no surprises. Confirm pickup and drop-off points, then tap Confirm to dispatch. You'll see an ETA and live tracking as the provider approaches. To complete the task, watch live tracking and be ready at the pickup spot. Once the driver arrives, confirm identity and exchange items as needed. After delivery, inspect the order immediately, then confirm receipt and submit a star rating plus feedback to improve future runs. If something goes wrong item, failed payment, or no-show, open support in the app, attach photos, and request a refund or redispatch. As a tip, save chat logs and timestamps. They speed resolution and claim processing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.